Oh, Jesus. I'm not queuing up. There's not another petrol crisis, is there? Okay, 3 bridges. Boom, boom, boom. And it's going to rain again. So we could do today the Cat and Fiddle and Snake Pass. So I mean, they're both sort of speed restricted, either through heavy traffic or I think the Cat and Fiddle is actually speed cameras and a 50-mile-an-hour limit. I can't remember Snake Pass. I think most of it is 50. If you want to do the Snake Pass, you've got to get up there first thing in the morning. That's when it's quieter. We're nearly up in the snow line. Still a little bit of snow around here. Goyt Valley. Oh, we're heading that way. Spectacular scenery, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, definitely some snow here. This is what I love about using these apps. You know, when you put in, I want to go on a twisty route, they really do take you on a twisty route. I've not been up this road before either. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So let's just see if we can, oh god, look at that, it's staggeringly beautiful along here. It's absolutely stunning. Oh my word, how absolutely beautiful. So this is Goyt Valley, just where is it? North, is it west of Buxton? I think it's just west of Buxton. Oh, is this a dam? It does look like a dam. photography is life. Going up that way. Well, that was great, wasn't it? The Goyt Valley. I keep saying it, the Goyt Valley. It's rain again. Really quite windy again up here because we're at a little bit of altitude. Thank you very much. Top up here might be really quite good. Everybody just keeps waving me past this morning. Thank you. Obviously don't want a bike behind them. Either or they're just trundling along and taking their time and they don't want to get in anybody's way. Oh God, look at it. Oh wow. I need to find somewhere to take a picture from the top. Look at it up here. Wowzers. I don't want to get a load of cars in the background. This has been an experience today, coming up here. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, CarPlay, come on, will you? Oh my God, look at it. Oh wow. It just gets better. It just gets absolutely better and better. Just look at that view. Unbelievable. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what that big round thing is there. Is that Jodrell Bank? Don't know whether you can see that on the GoPro. You might just be able to see a white blob. Lovely, lovely, lovely. See the rocks over there, the edge, and then over there, that's Manchester. Absolutely chucking it down over there. Hope we don't get any of that. I've not got my waterproof cover for the bloody bag either. Wow, look at that rainbow. Wow, that is a stunner. Pity we're in this bit of the lane and I can't quite see it. Look at that. This lane is really gnarly. There's a stone all over. Oh, Jesus! Loads of stone all over the road. God. Gnarly, gnarly. There's not even anywhere where I could actually stop and get off the bike. I don't meet anything coming the other way. Well, the road less travelled, eh? I think this is Macclesfield. So I need a garage. Come on, oh, the cool dog. He's going to have me. Why is it with dogs and motorbikes? I bloody hate motorbikes. Tesco's there. Waz round. Let's just wallop it into Tesco. Yes, fuel. Excellent. It'll only be E10. Petrol store, petrol, oh my god! Oh Jesus, I'm not queuing up. There's not another petrol crisis, is there? Oh, I can't be doing all that pissing about. I think I would turn right at that island again. I don't even know where I am now. Let's have a look up this road, let's see if we can get out onto... Bloody hell. Oh, I don't know where I am. This next garage is rammed. I'm just going to leave it until we get back up towards Leek. Only just below half actually, so. But just while I'm here I just want to fill up, and then I don't have to fill up for the rest of the day. It's just up there on the right according to the map. According to Google. Someone's unhelpfully sprayed the car park place with bloody diesel that side. So we're on number 11, 2436. Hiya, number 11 please. Lovely, thanks mate, cheers. So where I resprayed, it's looking alright, covered in filth. Oh god, look at the state of it. Every time you go out at this time of year, still never mind. I'd rather be out than in. Good. Full tank of gas. So, I need a route. So, let's use Google Maps again. Search for cat and fiddle in. So, that was a little bit of Macclesfield. So what I was trying to tell you in the garage when I was being throttled by the helmet strap was that with regards to my essential tremor, my GP has she's going to make me an appointment with the neurologist. So I had my bloods done in the week. sodium was borderline, which could have an effect on this tremor. If there's not enough sodium going through your sodium channels to your nerves, that could have an effect, I suppose. Don't know, we'll have to wait and see. We'll go and see, well, I don't know when that's going to happen either, because the waiting lists for anything NHS at the moment are just massive, so I don't know when that's going to happen. So that's that. Yeah, it was this road. I thought it would be this way that I'd come leaving the city.